A hole in your pocket and stretchy eyeshadow? A thick sweatshirt that makes you look fat? And a tablet that's chocolate flavored? No, these aren't factory rejects. They are all our new fun mall pranks for friends. Cindy is picking out clothing so professionally that Stevie decides to play a little joke on her. Print out a sign that says, "Best Shop Assistant." Attach double-sided tape to it. Stevie sneakily attaches the sign to Cindy's back. Now it's her time to shine. All the customers in the store start turning to her for help. And they want to make her carry all their things for some reason. Maybe Cindy has some shopping magnetism. No, it turns out that it's just a prank. Stevie awarded Cindy the title of Best Shop Assistant. The friends are hurrying to the fitting rooms. Oops! Redhead, don't mix up the doors! While Cindy is looking at some clothes, Redhead sneaks into her fitting room. What does she have planned this time? Take a Manikin finger for a manicure practice. Paint the nail with pink polish and paint the base black. Redhead attaches the finger instead of a hook. Cindy hangs up her clothing. The poor thing got caught hook, line, and sinker. The prank was a success. Cindy is positive that the finger was Stevie's handiwork and decides to put a hole in his pocket as revenge. Cut the pocket out of old jeans. Open up the side seam so that the pocket will hang out. Cut a big hole out of the internal parts. Rough up the edges with scissors. Hot glue a scrap of cotton fabric to the reverse side. Trim the excess. Attach the pocket to the jeans with a safety pin. While Stevie is distracted, Cindy breaks into his fitting room. Now he has jeans with an updated design. Stevie finds a hole in his pocket. Where do they even make jeans like these? But maybe this isn't a manufacturing error, but a prank by Redhead. Perfect timing! Redhead asks Stevie to bring her a hoodie one size bigger. Of course! Stevie will bring you the biggest hoodie of them all. Your personal assistant has picked out your dream item. Turn a hoodie inside out and fold it in half, connecting the side seams in the middle. Trace it on knitted fabric. Cut out fabric pieces for the front and back. Sew them to the hoodie on the bottoms and sides. Put in stuffing through the opening at the neck. Sew it shut along the neckline. The whole gang comes out of their fitting rooms with proof of their pranks. Poor Redhead! Looks like she gained a couple of pounds while shopping. These hoodies make her look a little heavy. That's an all-around prank. Everybody knows that moment when you're waiting for your friend to come out of the store. She promised she'd only be in there 5 minutes. But soon, Cindy will have to spend the whole winter hibernating on this bench, while also watching over Redhead's purchases. Cindy came up with a prank to teach this shopaholic a lesson. Trace the soles of sneakers on 2 pieces of foam rubber. Cut them out. Put on a layer of acrylic primer and cover it with acrylic paint. Hot glue the soft soles to the sneakers. Cindy places the unusual sneakers in the bag with Redhead's purchases. Finally! Redhead is tired of spending money. Her feet hurt and she wants to put on her new sneakers. Although, it looks like something's not quite right about these shoes. They must be special sneakers for relaxation. Redhead's walk is too soft. These sneakers make her steps too graceful. A mall is the perfect place to prank your friends. It seems like there was a sale in the electronics store, and Stevie got a pink tablet. Lay out some chocolate bars to be of the same size as a tablet. Attach them together with melted chocolate. Let it cool. Wrap the chocolate in white fondant. Cut a rectangle out of black fondant and attach it to the tablet like a screen. And cut a tablet case out of pink fondant. Make a circle out of fondant and attach it to be the home button. Cover the button and the screen with white food pearl powder. Use the handle of a brush to poke a hole for the camera. Redhead and Cindy are having a nice conversation under a palm tree when all of a sudden, Stevie enters their conversation. He wants to show the girls his new purchase, a pink tablet. Looks like someone got too into his shopping, but Stevie's chewing so enthusiastically that Redhead decides to try it too. That's so yummy! Cindy still doesn't understand how they can just eat a tablet. Redhead is picking out decorations for her house and suddenly finds out about her popularity. There's a photo of her on the shelf in this store. Carefully cut the film of a sealed photo frame. Remove the backing. Replace the standard insert with a printed out photo of your friend, marked with the dimensions of the picture frame. Return the backing to its place and seal the packaging back up. Redhead is so confused. How could this happen? Maybe she has a long-lost twin who's a model? Or the designer of the picture frame liked her profile picture? The secret's not that interesting. It's just a prank from her friend. The girls take a break from their shopping to enjoy some ice cream. But Redhead decided to prank her clumsy friend. Attach an empty paper ice cream cup to parchment paper. Use hot glue to draw ice cream drips leaking out of the cup. And glue in a wooden stick. Paint the glue the color of ice cream with syrup when it's dry. Cover it with clear polish. And take it off the parchment paper. Redhead replaces her friend's ice cream with the melted one. Whoops! Ice cream disaster! Cindy starts wiping up the bench as quickly as she can, but the spill turned out to be just a prank, and the real ice cream is all safe. In the middle of their shopping expedition, the girls find mysterious footprints. I wonder where they lead. Cut footprints out of colored paper, left and right. Stevie lays the footprint trail out on the floor. Now he'll lead the girls to some unknown place far, far away. The girls are trying to reach the end of this quest, but the trail leads them right back to the start of their journey. Stevie made them run laps around the mall. The girls are picking out eyeshadow palettes. Redhead could spend an eternity at the makeup stall, which is why Cindy wants to hurry her along with the help of a small prank. Take the eyeshadow out of a palette. Add the eyeshadow into clear Elmer's glue. Then, put in some borax and mix slime. Put the slime into the palette instead of makeup. Cindy brings her friend a magical new palette. Look at its unusual texture. Redhead tries the eyeshadow out, but it wasn't made for decorating her eyelids. This little slime won't do your makeup for you, but it will relax your fingers. Thanks for the de-stress break from shopping. After shopping for a long time, you need an equally long rest. The girls sit down on the couch and have some tea, but Redhead immediately gets lost in her phone. She's not paying any attention to Cindy. I'll have to get her attention some other way. Pull out the string and open the bag itself. Chop up some dried squid and add them to the tea bag. Sew the string back on. Put the tea bag back into the package. Cindy swaps out the tea bag and brews up some dried squid. The scent of seafood makes Redhead suspicious. And the taste of the ocean in a cup of tea awakens her. Now Redhead will listen more closely to her friend when she talks. Cindy is sitting comfortably on the couch, but her phone decided to die. Warm-hearted Redhead hurries to the rescue with an extension cord. Or is this just revenge for all the pranks? Remove the external panel from an old power strip and screw the cable out. Cut 2 inches of insulation off the cable. Fold up the wire to attach the string of a party popper. Cut an opening for the party popper in the power strip. Trace it 2 times on cardboard. Cut out the shape and glue a cardboard base. Hot glue the party popper with the cable into the power strip and attach the cardboard base. As soon as Cindy plugs her charger into the power strip, Redhead yanks the cable. Surprise! This isn't a short circuit, it's a small fireworks show. Cindy wasn't expecting a festive explosion like this. She'll be scared to charge her phone for a long time after this. Did you like our shopping pranks? Then write in the comments what you and your friends do when you hang out in the mall. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss fun new pranks on Troom Troom.